Hi everybody and welcome to a new video. So today we're starting a new series. A series where I show you what I find little gems and nuggets on GitHub or X that pertain to web development. So they could be like new components that are pretty cool and well designed, new AI trends, and we just do a quick dive onto these little nuggets that I find. So the one we're going to talk about today, and don't click away, this is going to sound boring, but it is a date picker. So the date pickers, they haven't changed in 25 years. They all look the same. You input month, day, year, or maybe another format if you're from another place in the world in the US. And in the best case scenario, you may be able to click and navigate to older years instead of scrolling an endless list. They're working nicely, but something so important as a date picker, it's crazy to me that they haven't evolved all that much. So I was scrolling GitHub the other day, and one of my friends liked a pretty fun package called LinguaTime. Lingua is Latin for language, so LinguaTime is essentially picking time with language. So this little package, essentially what it is a component that allows you to describe a date and time, maybe something like tomorrow night, next Tuesday, and it will select the time for you. So let's look at an example. Let's say I want to do something like in 10 days. That will work. So it's now, as I'm recording this, September 15th. So if I do in 10 days, it knows right here to go from September 5 today. So in 5 days is September 15th. So there we go. But something that I like also a lot about this component is you can ask maybe 90 minutes. What I like about this is that a scenario where you're having a conversation with somebody. Let's say the conversation is happening in Slack and somebody says, let's meet in an hour. But you get that message later. For you, maybe 15 minutes has passed, so in an hour is not in an hour anymore, it's in 45 minutes. So this idea of picking time with language lets at least the computer translate to a common time for everybody. And this component is actually pretty beautiful. It's really well built. What I liked is that it's built in all the latest and newest technologies. So Bun actually powers the dependencies, the stylings are in Tailwind, and it is rendered in Next.js. So I don't know yet if it's up in like an NPM package or all, but I will leave the code in the comments and let me know if you have any other ideas of what you would like me to look into. I will post a new videos of these every week where we just go over code and UX of like fun little tidbits that I find on GitHub and just really great pieces of code that can help you become a better programmer. So if you like this new format, please leave a comment. Also like the video and subscribe to the channel. Have a great day.